Hello everyone. Today we talk about the Bitcoin, proven fly on increasing interest rate. Speculation 46k before the crash, but I'm not buying because 46k is just the assumption. Can be wrong, can be right. But I want to show you this is the history that the people now waiting about the US interest rate increasing. But uh, based on history in here, you can find by drawing this chart, you just compare the USE and TR. So US interest, you can click in this and they're gonna be the draw like this yellow line, the orange line. Look, what's happening in the November 15, the US interest rate is increasing. Even after the 16, 17, and the 18, until the 20, and look, the interest rate always increasing. But the fact is that the Bitcoin can fly during the history. But that's not talking that I'm buying right now. Why? Because in the short term, maybe the Bitcoin can go up and then continue going down first before we continue the bull run. But first of all, I want you to know that the first priority is to protect your asset. So don't just FOMO and oh no, I missed the bull run. No, that's the second priority that we need to find your profit. But first of all, just protect your asset because even if that the during this time that we can fly, but remember in the middle of the 2018 when the interest rate is increasing, the price is going down, the crash is happening. That's why uh, I'm just saying that the bull run is not stopped. If you're looking at this chart, look, the bull run is not stopped because we are still in this super logarithmic regression, and this is the Ivan Bollinger Band that I shared you previously. Look, we are still in this middle. Our plan is back to high in this one. That's our plan. And the next is I want to tell you that the March 15 and 16 is the FOMC meeting about the interest rate. And what's next? Why I'm so optimistic that they're gonna be the crash. Okay, first of all, there are two indicators. The first is about the Bitcoin USD, and this is the Bitcoin up USD. The difference is Bitcoin up USD is like the leverage token but not using the margin. They just average 2 until 3 times T3X from the price. Okay, if you look about the Bitcoin up USDT in here, when the price is going down, it's never break this one. So starting the November, this is the crash. But after hit this one, we fly. So therefore, for the Bitcoin up, maybe if the crash happening, we can going down again. It's another crash around almost 60%, but it's just in the Bitcoin leverage. But to tell you that we never break this one, but you find in the Bitcoin USD, I draw two versions. The first version is about this yellow line. The second version is about the white line. You can draw your own, but some people said that, oh no, in this yellow line, we already break this up in the February and retest happening in the February, and we hold the line in here, and then we continue to fly. But what I'm telling you that there is a super strong resistance in here around the 44.3 until the 40. In here is around the around the 46, 47k. This is the exponential moving average 21 and moving average 20 in the weekly time frame. And then when it's go up, it's like to fake out and then continue to going down trend. I'm one to telling you that the fake out is not just happening that time. Look, what happening in the June 2021 when you draw this blue one. Many people thought about this blue one and they said we already break in this one. But look, this white line is the exponential moving average 34 in the daily time frame. So every hit this one and then continue to going downtrend. In here, it's just a fake out because we are so bullish, and you can find that in this area this is the exponential moving average 21. That's why they are back to bullish. So if you curious, okay, let's open it now. When I open this one, it's because we hit this 21 moving average or Okay, I simply draw this one. Look, we retest this area, moving average 20 and then it just fly again. But in here, it's not. So in here, look, if you drawing like this blue one again, we ever rejected from this white one, a white two, and now in here it's just a fake out and then continue to going down trend. Now we are retesting this again. Therefore, if you are asking that whether I'm still optimistic, yeah, 47K is it's possible, but you need to remember that it's a very crucial moment. If you buy now, I think it's too risky. Even if the price is back to 47K, I'm not buying. I already told you there is chance that the price is going to 47K, but that's just to confirm us the retest and then still continue downtrend. It's for me, but I can be wrong, I can be true. It's up to you. You can decide. Okay, and if the price is still going down, maybe it's going to 30 in here, so 30K, like this I1 Bollinger Band is the 1, 2, and 3 retest. So far we haven't retest the second time. Okay, and what I'm telling you that we have retest hit this one and then fly. That's why it's possible we hit this one and then continue going down trend. But the people say that this is the double bottom, so can fly. Yeah, it's up to you. You can set it to double bottom, but I'm not buying. I'm just waiting the price to get cheaper after the March crash, and after that we can buy the dip. Remember, you need to buy the dip because what's the point you buy now? Whales always buy the tip. That's why you need to wait until they buy the tip. In around this area, the March and 15 and 18 March, this is the time, the crucial time where the people is waiting for. But believe me that there is no more they postpone the interest rate. I think the interest rate gonna surely increasing in the March. Okay, and you need to remember that every month. So look in here, every month almost the price is going down. Like in this one, March 2018, the price is going down by 33 percent. And for another sample, March in here crashed by 17%. So every month, almost every month. Let's find again. Look in here, the price is up 8%, but just in the 18, but in the look. March in here is crashed by 25%. Some people said this is due to COVID, but whatever. Whatever this the COVID or the interest rate, the March is always a bet for the Bitcoin. In here, 2019, 2020, March is bad, in here, let's say the March in the 21, it's a bullish, but now for me, March in here, that's going to be another downtrend. But overall, I'm still bullish that by the late uh, 22 or the early 23, we may be somewhere gonna hit this Ivan Bollinger Band. So around 150, at least 100K Bitcoin is a very possible for me. Okay, that's why you need to stay tuned. That there is a possibility that we break up this one. So just to continue to fake out and continue going downtrend. But uh, there is also possibility that we just continue going down trend like this one. Therefore, just don't buy now, but you need to buy the dip. When the crash happening, minus 30 in a day, minus 25, 20% in a day, that's when the time you buy it. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. Thank you.